So guys, today we're going to be attaching the Spray Pal diaper sprayer to the toilet. First, you want to turn off your water supply down here. You want to turn it clockwise, which is to the right. Righty-tighty, and then lefty is loosey. We do not want to go left, we want to go right. Make sure that you turn it all the way, because I had a problem with it initially, as you can see with all the towels. I thought it was off because it got a little tight, and it was not off. So when I did the next step, water went everywhere. But you just make sure you turn it all the way, so you can't turn it anymore. Then you want to detach the other side. First, after you turn it off, you want to flush it one time. Flush the toilet one time. And then you're going to turn it counterclockwise to take it off. You want to have a towel down, because even if it's all the way off, it will still leak a little bit. Then you're going to take this piece, this three-way piece, from the spray box, the Spray Pal box, and you want to attach it on to the water supply, which will initially attach onto that black pump. This is the same piece, and you want to get it on there real good.